What is up everyone? Welcome back to our channel. This tutorial will guide you through the process of connecting and verifying your Phantom wallet for the Glass airdrop. Completing this process is essential to ensure you can participate in the airdrop. Follow the steps carefully to get started. So let's begin. Make sure that you log into the Grass website because you need to copy the URL while you are logged into the Grass account. After you copy the URL, locate the Phantom wallet app. Tap on it. As you can see in the video, it's already logged in. If you don't have an account in Phantom Wallet yet, create one so that we can go to the next step. Now, after you log in or create an account in Phantom Wallet, tap on the Browser tab, which is located at the bottom right of the screen. In the Browser tab, paste the URL you copied in the URL section at the top of the screen. This is what it looks like when you enter the URL you copied to this Phantom Wallet app. And the website, tap on your profile icon at the bottom of the screen. In the Profile tab, tap on the Exchange Wallet below the copy address text. And as you can see, this is where you can connect your wallet. You can see it's already connected to Phantom Wallet. By following the steps, you've successfully connected and verified your Phantom Wallet for the Grass airdrop. Remember, the deadline for this connection is August 23, 2024. So make sure to complete the steps well in advance. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.